Alright guys, it's So Certified trying out different little Korean snacks that I ordered. I tried to search this one up with Google Translate. Didn't come back to anything in English, so I'm still gonna try it. So, about four of them in there. Looks a little funny. Looks a little funny. Some type of seeds are in it. Not my favorite. I ate two other things before this, but I don't think I'm finishing that. I get it like a 2 out of 10 maybe. I see my drink that's in the bag, so I'm gonna wash it down with it. I'll get back to you with the next snack. Don't forget to check out So Certified and So Certified Gaming to get various content. Appreciate any and everybody to do like, subscribe, and check this out and share it.